These white chocolate lemon blondies are gooey, super moist, soft. They're so delicious. You can taste the white chocolate, the lemon, and they're my favorite. Let's make them. You're going to need some softened, unsalted butter. Make sure it's very softened. Mix it with an electric mixer. Add your granulated sugar, and then you want to add some lemon zest and lemon extract. I like to add the eggs one at a time. Make sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the bowl and then add the flour, salt, and baking powder. I love white chocolate. If you don't like white chocolate, just omit it. I almost forgot the lemon juice. So fold in the white chocolate, add the lemon juice, and it's going to be a very thick batter. Make sure to use an 8x8 baking dish because these don't really rise that much. So they're going to be super thin if you use a 9x9. I bake these for 25 minutes. Start checking them at the 22-minute mark. Let them cool for about 20 minutes before adding the glaze. The glaze is simple. It's just powdered sugar, lemon juice, and milk. And then you want to let these cool completely before indulging because you won't really taste that much of the lemon flavor if you eat them warm. So definitely eat these cool and enjoy.